Over 1,100 settlers tour Al-Aqsa amid violence. Official. Palestine decries Israeli settler tour in Al-Aqsa compound. Qatar condemns Israeli attack on Al-Aqsa mosque. Trump tells Syrian regime and allies to end Idlib attacks. 14 killed in bomb attack in northwest Syria. At least 6 PKK terrorists neutralized in northern Iraq. US ready to talk with Iran with no preconditions. Iran rule out talks unless US changes behavior. Tripoli forces claim shooting down made in UAE drone. 5 killed as Sudan forces clear protest camp in Khartoum. Algeria's constitutional body extends president's term. Afghan forces and Taliban make tall claims of casualties.